Hi, my name's John Savari. I'm here to talk to you today about Year 7 Online Lesson 2, okay, and what we're doing today. So, last lesson we started our sites, or perhaps, we kept working on ones we made last term. Today I just want you to keep working on those websites, okay? So, hopefully yours is, filled out a little bit more than what this little sample one has. But basically what I want you to do is, you've got your, what is your topic. I also want you to have something along the lines of what are the negative effects? Okay, so what's the bad things about cyberbullying? And I'd also like you to put in what to do if you're being cyberbullied, which obviously change that for your topic. So if it's online shopping, what do you do if you've made a mistake with online shopping or something like that? Okay, the last one, a lot of people have forgotten to put a bibliography in, so just make sure that you create a page for that. That we put in a couple of websites we used. Just a note, bibliography and a reference page are two different things, okay? So a bibliography is the wider reading that you've done to help you make your site. So for example, a lot of people have looked at, a couple of different websites and they haven't, directly quoted any of them. They're the websites that you put in your bibliography, okay? When you directly quote them, that's when you put it in something called a reference list. Don't worry about doing a reference list for this. Just a bibliography with a couple of websites you use would be perfect. Cool? Alright, so if you're in a situation where you've already finished your site, try and add more to it. Okay, if you're feeling completely stuck and finished, you can go ahead, but literally you're jumping into week 3. So just bear in mind that, eventually you're going to run out of content. I'll put some extra bits and pieces at the very end, but we're a little while away from that. So I'll try and stagger that so you don't, finish the entire term in the first couple of weeks. See how you go. Best of luck. Please email me with how you're going. And yeah, I'll be hearing from you. Thanks. Bye.